Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure your Moto G85 runs a modern Android build and the apps support multi-window. Open the first app you need, then tap the Recent Apps button or swipe up gesture to show multitasking. Once the overview appears, locate the app card. Press and hold its icon or card until the menu appears. Select Split Screen or drag to top of screen. This pins the first app. Keep your second app ready on the home screen or app drawer, because you'll place it next. Now choose the second app. From Recent Apps, tap the other app card. From Home or Drawer, open it and then drag into the empty half. You do this to anchor both apps simultaneously and to let Android allocate screen space. Once both apps are visible, adjust the split by dragging the center divider. Make one app larger if needed. If an app refuses to split, reopen it or pick a different compatible app, because some full-screen apps block multi-window by design. Finish by using both apps. Interact in either pane, copy and paste between them, and use the divider to resize. When done, drag the divider fully up or down to close split screen, or open Recent Apps to replace one pane without closing the other. If split screen fails, make sure both apps are updated, reboot the phone, and try again. This clears transient UI issues. If a specific app still blocks splitting, use an alternative app or check app settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.